Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be no contact. When will they contact you? No contact. When will they contact you? So this was asked by one of the viewer, and I would like to apologize to the viewer because I'm late. As usual, I am busy with the festival, so I thought I'll make it today. Then tomorrow and day after also I am planning to do the readings. Then you can post your topics which you want to know, because tomorrow is Saturday and Sunday. So definitely I will be making two videos for you. So you can post the topic whichever you want to know. So you can post in the comment section, then definitely I will do the reading. So that's all. Then without wasting much time, let us start the reading. But before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly helping me, motivating me, making me to do the readings regularly. Thank you so much. Whoever new to my channel, welcome to my channel. That's all. Then if you like my readings, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Okay, then we will start the reading. We have three piles here. Pile 1 tree agate, pile 2 white quartz, pile 3 black tourmaline. Whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. If you need more time, you can pause the video, meditate on the pile and you can choose accordingly. Okay, so let us start the reading with pile 1. Whoever chose this tree agate, this reading is for you. Let us see. No contact. When will they contact you? No communication. So when will they contact you? So let us see the reading. When will they contact you? Okay. The first card is the Fool. Okay. No contact. When will they contact you? All the cards are falling. They are eager to contact you, talk to you. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. When will they contact? My pile 1 people, 3 of Spears. Then this is Prince of Suns. Hope you can see the cards. Bottom of the deck we have the Completed World. Okay, let us pull some more cards to get more clarity. No contact. When will they contact you? No contact. When will they contact you? No communication. When they will contact you? I was expecting the Sun card and it came. So bottom of the deck it is 7 of Cups. Okay, so after, hope you all can see the cards. Okay, so after seeing these cards, I feel that you are dealing with a person who is having Aries, Leo, Sagittarius as their sun signs, and also Scorpio. And also I can see very few of you will have the fixed signs. Okay, Aquarius, Taurus, Scorpio and Leo. Okay, then Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also some of you are having. So these are all the signs I can see here. Then let us start the reading. So our question is no contact, no communication. So when they will contact you? Okay, so first of all, I can see that this distance is long distance relationship. This person is very far from you, maybe different city, state, or country. So that is the reason, that is one of the reason that they are not able to contact you, communicate to you, because they want to come directly to you, and they want to communicate, because they don't want to communicate through mails or chat or phone, because they are planning to come towards you directly, because they feel that you are their sunshine, or you are their what can I say, completion. So without you their life is not completed. They feel that you will be the complete world for them whenever you are united. So they know that you are the person that they are looking for, and they are waiting for. You are the right match for them, and definitely they are waiting for you, and they are getting ready for you, because I can see the prince of suns. That means they have lot of passion and attraction. At the same time, the other person also whom you are dealing with, they are also handsome or beautiful, if it is a female. So they are also they take care of them very well. They take care of their body. Maybe they are hitting the gym. Some people, if it is female, then they will maintain their figure, or they go to beauty parlor, and they will maintain their appearance. Okay, so and also one more thing is, they want to be like the talk of the town. What I can say is, they are very much introvert, and they want the attention of the people. Okay, so they want the attention from you also. At the same time, wherever they go, suppose they go to any party, so they will be like star of the party, I can say. So that much very attractive they are, talkative. Okay, so that is what I can see here. Any other messages I'm getting? Let me see. And also they want to take a risk in this connection, even though they don't know how you are feeling, because there is no communication. Sometimes they will be very very sad also, because the five of cups card is there. That means they are not looking at the happiness. They are always thinking about the past, whatever happened between you, or some for some of you, they might be coming out of a relationship, or a breakup from somebody else. So that is also, they are in a very deep sadness, I can see, because the five of cups is there. So definitely they want to cross from this side to other side, because they are very far from you. Maybe they have to cross the ocean to come towards you. So that is what they are thinking about you. So whenever it is a night time, or whenever they are alone, so they are looking at the other side of the ocean. They'll be thinking that when I will meet you, when I can see you. So those kind of feelings I'm getting from this person. And right now they have started something new. Maybe it is a job, or a career, or a business, something like that. They have started new something, and they are busy with that. Okay, so that is also one of the uh, uh, reason that they are not talking to you. They are confused between so many other things. Okay, they are very very busy. They are busy with their money, job, then some health issues also. So they are busy with all these things, and they are confused like whom to go. And maybe for some of you, they have some other options also apart from you. So they are also confused like whom to choose, because anyways you both are not talking to each other. So they don't know what you are feeling, you are thinking, and they have other options also. So that is also one of the reason they are not contacting you. So now let's see, when will they contact you? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. When will they contact my pile 1 people? When will they contact my pile 1 people? Please give us some guidance and clarity. When will they contact my pile 1 people? Okay, the strength card. So universe is saying that you have to hold on for some time, because it may not happen very soon. So it can happen in 8 days, 8 weeks, or in August month. This is also August month. For very few of you, maybe I can say 10% of the people, this person might contact you. But definitely they won't contact you through mail, or call or something like that. They want to come to you directly because chariot card is there, so they want to travel and come towards you. Even the world card is there, so definitely they will come back to you directly and they will talk. And they have to complete something, one cycle they have to complete, then only they can come towards you. It might be other relationship, or it might be the cycle of no contact. So they have to close something, end the cycle, and they will come towards you. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 1. So if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this white quartz, this reading is for you. Let's see. No contact, no communication. What is your person thinking and feeling, and when they will contact you? Let us see. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. When they will contact my pile 2 people? When will they contact my pile 2 people? Whoever is there in your life with whom you are not talking, you can think about the person and you can meditate. Okay, so universe, angels and archangels, please give us some guidance. No communication, when they will contact my pile 2 people. Okay, the sun card, the devil, all major arcanas are there. The hermit. Okay, so let us pull some more cards to get more clarity. Okay, bottom of the deck we have the hanged man. Okay, so you both are not talking to each other, you are in a hanged man position right now. Let us pull more cards to get more clarity. Okay, no contact, no communication, when they will contact my pile 2 people. No contact, no communication, when they will contact my pile 2 people. When they will contact my pile 2 people. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. One card, 5 of moons, 5 of cups, sorry. Page of Pentacles and the High Priestess. So what I can see is here all the major arcanas are there, and if at all your sign is there in this major arcanas, then it is definitely for you very strong reading, I can say. Okay, so we have here Ace of Pentacles. Okay, bottom of the deck, Ace of Pentacles. So I can see the signs here are Leo, Aries. Then I can see the all the fixed signs, Taurus, Aquarius, Leo and Scorpio. And also I can see Pisces, I can see Virgo, I can see Capricorn. Okay, so all these signs I can see, and for some of you, you might be having Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and also Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. All these signs I can see. It can be your sign or their sign. If it is your sign, then definitely this reading is for you, because all the major arcanas are there. That means this reading is very, very strong and powerful, I can say. Okay, so that is what this person is kind of a hanged position right now. They don't know how to move towards you. They are in a very deep pain and they are in deep sorrow. So whatever happened between you both in the past, they are thinking about that only. They are not seeing the other 2 cups of hope. Okay, so they are not able to see the other cups are there standing, and they can again repair this connection or reconcile. That is they are not able to think in a positive way. So they are definitely in a very sad situation, and they know that you are their wish fulfillment, or I can say you are their happiness. Okay, you are the right person for them to come back and to stay with you. They want to live with you, so then they know everything. For some of you, you might be having a son also with this person. Maybe you are watching this reading for your spouse or a husband or a wife. Okay, So you have a son with this person, so they are thinking about that also, because maybe they are not with the son and also not with you. So they are also feeling very very sad, and they are thinking again and again the past, whatever happened between you, why did this happen, and what can I do for that. They are they want to apologize also. For some of you, they want to say sorry also, but they don't know how you are feeling right now. That is the reason all of this thinking, so they are in a hanged man position. They are not able to take any step further. But they are searching for you. They are gathering information about you. They are talking to mutual friends, okay, or relatives. So they are thinking about you and asking all the gathering information also in social media. So wherever you both are connected, so they are checking your status every time. So they are following you, like wherever whatever you are doing, they know. Okay. So also they are kind of very obsessed with you. They have devilish thoughts, and they have kind of a mixed feelings. I can see the revenge kind of condition also is there. So they might be thinking that okay, so how can he or she leave me, how can they be happy without me, if I am suffering like this, but the other person, how can they be very very happy. And they feel like they are chained towards you. Okay, so they feel that you have done some magic on them, and they are not able to get away from you. They are not able to forget you. They are always thinking about you. At night they can't sleep. They are always thinking about you. So because of you, some people they might have gone into some addictions also, maybe drinking and other things. So that kind of devilish. So I can see that they want you in a at any cost, like whether it can be in a negative way or positive way, but still they want to have you in their life, and they want to come towards you with a very very stable offer, okay, commitment, marriage. Because this page of pentacles is there, so definitely they want to communicate, they want to come towards you. But the problem is very very slow. Very slow means this pentacles are the slowest moving in the deck. So they are coming towards you very very slow. Okay, one step they will move forward, then 100 steps they move backward. That kind of indecision, that fear, low self esteem. So they don't know whether you will accept them or not, whether you will like them or not. So they are confused, and they have somebody in their life, okay, maybe their mother or a sister or grandmother. So whoever it is, okay, there somebody is there in their life, and because of them also they are not able to come towards you. Maybe they are saying that don't go towards the other person. Okay, so that is maybe this person is respecting them a lot. Maybe they are their family, maybe because of their mother or sister, somebody. Okay, so this conflict happened between you, but definitely they want to have a new beginning in this connection, even though slowly. I cannot see very soon or immediately. I can straight away say that, but definitely they want to have a new beginning in this connection, because they can't forget you. And also they want to offer you some money also, some financial stability also. If you are having a child, and you have the like monthly expenses and all, they are definitely planning for that also. They want to offer you money also, and they want to start a new beginning also, have a new beginning with you all. And this person's name might be starting with B or J. Okay, so S I can see. Then also I can see V. Okay, so all these letters might be in their first name or middle name or last name. Then that is what I can see here. Let us see when they might contact you. So when is the date that they can contact you, spirits and angels? Please give us some guidance and clarity when they will contact my pile 2 people. Please give us some clarity. Okay, again the devil card is there. So definitely they want to communicate as soon as possible, but at the same time they don't know how to proceed ahead. So they are into a dark energy, they are not thinking in a positive way. So after they come out of this negativity, after they come out of this bad thoughts about you, somehow I have to get it, maybe some magic I'll do on them to get them, or I will put them in trouble so that they come back to me, or something like that. Okay, so that kind of negative thinking they are having right now. So maybe they will contact you in 15 days, 15 weeks, okay, or 15 months. That means after more than a year. Okay, maybe in the month of October next year they might contact you, because they need this much time. So for some of you, they are struggling with the finances also, because twice the pentacle card is there. So they are thinking more about their finances also. So they need some time, but don't think that they forgot you. Definitely they are thinking about you obsessively, they are thinking about you. So you can be relaxed thinking that okay, this person will come back to me for sure. So you have to concentrate on your health, your beauty, or whatever it is. You have to concentrate on yourself more than that the other person, because definitely this person will come to you because they think that you are their happiness. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this black tourmaline, this reading is for you. Okay, no contact when they will contact you. No communication, no contact when they will contact you. No communication, no contact when they will contact you. Please, spirits and angels, give us some guidance and clarity. When will they contact my pile 3 people? No communication when they will contact. 7 of Spears, 7 of Sun. 7 is very prominent for you, friends. So maybe in the month of July, you both might have met each other, or number 7 is their birthday or your birthday. Okay, the Empress. So at the bottom of the deck, we have the Burning Tower. Okay, the Tower card is there at the bottom of the deck. So let us see, let us pull more cards. Let us pull some more cards. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. No contact, no communication. When they will contact my pile 3 people? When will they contact? Five of Wands. Oh my God, the Empress twice. Okay. So at the bottom of the deck, they have we have the card as 9 of Cups. That means wish fulfillment. Okay, so what signs I can see here is, I can see the fixed signs like Aquarius, Leo, Scorpio and Taurus. I can also see Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Then for some of you, Aries is very prominent in this reading. I can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Then Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, all these signs I can see here from these cards. Let us see how your person is feeling right now. So your person is feeling very there is a competition to achieve you or come towards you. They feel that there is lot of competition. There are many suitors in this connection. So they don't know whether they will be able to get you or not. So that kind of feeling they are having. So they are seeing you as a wife material, and they are looking at you like you are very beautiful, abundant. You have everything in your life, so you don't need them actually. So that is how they are feeling. So for some of you, this person is your childhood friend, classmate, college mate, or neighbor. Okay, you know this person from many years. Okay, from your childhood you know this person. and something unexpected thing happened between you both, and you got separated. So which is very very I can say very bad breakup, I can say. You both didn't expect that it will happen, but somehow it happened already. Then from that time onwards, this person is looking at you from far. They are feeling that I sowed the seed then they are waiting for the for it to reap. And also they feel that okay, I have to give some time to for this connection to grow. So that is the reason they are not communicating to you. So they are thinking that you need some time to grow, understand the other person. Already you know this person from many years, but you can understand their perspective, whatever conflict happened between you. So they are giving you more time so that you can think and decide whether whatever you are doing is right or not. Because I can see there is a lot of competition. That means maybe you have moved on with somebody else, or they might have misunderstood that you love somebody, or you are seeing other people. Okay, that is what the feeling I'm getting. And for some of you, you both are wife and husbands, because Empress card is there. Empress means pregnant lady. So that means for some of you, you both are wife and husband, and you got some conflict, and you both got separated. And also the like they feel that they are alone. I mean, they can't defeat this world or competitors or your family. Something is there. They are feeling that I am alone, I cannot get to this connection. So that is why they are feeling very very lonely, and they are feeling very low, actually I can see that. But definitely they are standing strong, and they are very defensive. They don't want to say that I am wrong. Okay, so they are, even though they know that they are alone, they can't do anything, they can't fight the society and all, but still they are trying their best to stay strong and confident. So that is what I can see here. And then Empress is twice, so definitely they are feeling that you are their wish fulfillment, because Nine of Cups card also is there. They know that you are their wish fulfillment, and you have every quality that they want, and you are a wife material, and they want to uh, be like you, like their mother of their children. Okay, so definitely, if at all you are not married to this person, they want to have children with you. They want to grow old with you, because they want to offer the cup of love with you, love to you, because this is innocent and pure love. But I don't know what exactly happened between you, and you both got separated. So now let us see when they will contact you. When they will contact my pile 3 people, please give us some guidance and clarity. When they will contact my pile 3 people, please give us some guidance and clarity. Again Empress, 3 times Empress, friends. I don't know what to say. You are so lucky that they are looking at you like you are the very strong, powerful, and mother of their children, beautiful, abundant. Okay, so definitely it is growing. It is not reducing whatever love you have between each other. So it is growing multiple times. Okay, so 3 is very very prominent for you. 7 is prominent for you. So maybe they will be contacting you within 3 days to 3 weeks, 3 months. Okay, so definitely they will contact you, because the Empress card is there thrice. So that means definitely they are very very eager to come towards you, because day by day it is growing. Okay, so how the pregnant lady's baby grows, so like that only their love towards you is growing like anything. So definitely they will contact you within 3 days, 3 weeks, 3 months. Okay, that's all I can see you for pile number 3. So hope you like this reading. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.